Coming here in the morning?
Hmm?
I was coming in the morning here,
Yes.
and the lady above us, the black lady, she was coming out.
Yeah.
She was just coming into there, and she wouldn't fucking back up. She made me back up.
Really?
Well,
It's harder when you back up.
It's easier for her to back up because she only had a little space. I had to go pretty much the whole thing.
What? Then why did you move?
She wouldn't move.
Oh, the lady who is always saying hello? The one above us.
Yeah.
If I were you, I'm not gonna move too. Like you're already
Oh, halfway.
halfway, and you just got out.
Mm-hmm.
There's more space for her.
Yep. Uh-oh, Santa's praying.
The other day is the other Santa. Now it's this Santa.
Both Santa.
Yeah, no, it's the other day. The other Santa is.
And in that corner they got snowmen. They always did something big before. Santa's waving. Don't bark.
What is wrong
What
with
did I
you?
An idiot.
Just smile. No reason to smile. Almost got hit. Did you see that or no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Q107.
Even the garbage guy's like,
Got
the lady.
What?
The garbage truck guy is like, got the lady.
He clapped his head?
Here.
Oh yeah?
Laughing at, we're going bravo.
Wow, the BMO Cashback MasterCard gives him cash back on everything. So it's like BMO puts a bow on every purchase. Now, he's putting bows everywhere.
On your report card.
It happens to me when
She was saying I'm sorry.
Huh?
She was saying I'm sorry.
Oh, the lady? Didn't say that.
Yes, she did.
Didn't say it. I didn't realize who she is. I was gonna be for like, what the fuck?
Terms and conditions apply. Visit BMO.com/cashback for details.
Wow. I thought I was lost. But then I remembered.
Happened to me and Jeffrey when you're not driving yet.
During sales holiday gift
We're on our way to pick you up.
card, every purchase of $100.
And this guy,
The price.
I stop, and he's just approaching without stopping. I assumed that he would stop because it's a four-way stop. I went and he also went. I was like, I honked the horn like really hard. No, not stopping. And then he stopped and he said, "I'm sorry." It's like, look where you're going.
This Friday to Sunday.
I have a kid here.
$15